So my dear friends, in this video I am going to tell you how you can show your face. Like you can see my face with along with my screen. So you can see my computer screen is showing up and my face is also showing. So how you do it? You need to use this OBS. So first of all you need to add this display capture for this screen, top screen. After that you need to add this video capture device. So for this you need to go to this plus button. So you can see there is a plus button showing here. Just tap on this plus button and you can see there is an option of video capture device. Just need to click on this and click on OK, and it will show up your face, and click on OK. So I have already added it. This video capture device is showing here, so you can see. So you need to add this video capture device. So you can add it one or two. So I have added two, so I will remove capture device which I am already using. So you need to add display capture and video capture device, both of them. So it is very useful, and you can see I can move this anywhere, right to left, and I can also increase the size by making like this. I can increase the size and you can see my face. It is showing up. So I hope friends now you will be able to add your face, and you can capture the screen. You know how to record a screen, and you can move anywhere. You can open any files. You can go to browsers, and your face will show up along with your video. And this is very important these days, because if you are making your tutorials, then your video, I hope friends now you will be able to do it. And in case you find this video helpful, then click on the like button and also subscribe my channel for my upcoming videos.